Hello guys, welcome to another Forex strategy video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. In this video you will see a very good trade in US dollar versus Swiss franc. I hope you like the video. In this I will tell you what mistakes new traders make due to which they always remain in losses. Here I am applying the trade according to my risk. See you guys after some time. Guys, right now we have $1,721 in our account which we have to grow. You might be seeing a loss in the trade right now, but we will ignore it, because profit loss arouses our emotions due to which we make the same mistakes again and again. The market is currently moving upwards, creating proper price action which has given us a good opportunity for buying. We are going to take full advantage of this here. We will first create an uptrend channel, for which I am taking trend line. We will connect this trend line at higher low points. This trend line is acting as support so that we can get an idea from these support points as to where the market can get support in the future. We will connect the second trend line with the same angle at higher high points where this trend line will react to resistance. Whenever the market has approached an upward trend line, it has always reversed downwards. The market is currently moving within these two trend lines, which gives us an idea of how far the market can move up or down. Now we will draw strong support resistance level, which will give us the exact position of the market. The market has created multiple reversal points at this level, which has created a strong level here. Here you can clearly see that the market has respected this level very well. With this, we are able to guess from where the market is reversing again and again. The market is still preparing to move up by taking double support at this level, which gives us hope that we have placed the trade in the right direction. Our analysis is complete here. Now we will place stop loss and target point, so that we will know where to exit this trade. My stop loss will be below the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel, which is 4 pip down. If there is a trend line breakout here, then we will go for a selling trade, and the target point will be 8 pip above where the market has previously reversed downwards. Here I am using the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, which I always do. Guys, right now we are incurring a loss of around $200. Let's see what result the market gives us. Whatever the result, we will be satisfied with it because it is part of our discipline. Now I will place the stop loss and target point. Guys, now let me tell you what mistakes new traders make due to which they incur huge losses. The first mistake of new traders is overtrading. New traders try to catch every small movement in the market, due to which he becomes a victim of overtrading. The second biggest mistake is the lack of risk management. New traders invest their entire capital in a single trade, which leads to huge losses. The third mistake new traders make is emotional trading. Due to this, people always try to recover quickly after a loss, which leads to bigger losses due to revenge trading or overconfidence. If these mistakes are corrected, then anyone can become a profitable trader. If you like this video, then please like it. You will get to see it later.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin.
Wow guys, nice move. The market respected our setup. As soon as we placed the trade, the market made us achieve our target within a short time. This is a very good move. We were waiting for this move. Our entry here was at the right time and we have benefited a lot from it. If you trust your setup, it will definitely make you money in the long run. Now I will draw the next level and tell you what kind of pattern the market can create. The market had created a strong resistance point at this level, due to which a strong resistance level has been created here. Now the market has broken this level upwards here. You can clearly see the breakout. Now the market can come back down to take support. This will create a resistance become support pattern, which is a strong uptrend pattern. Our goal has been achieved. Now we close our trade, because the biggest rule in trading is to follow your own rules. Guys, initially we had $1,721 in this account, but now the account has reached $6,782. That is, till now we have made a tremendous profit of about $4,000. You can also generate profit in this way, but do not repeat the mistakes that I have mentioned about new traders. Always trade with discipline so that you can get the right discipline. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.